Hello everybody, welcome back to the new vlog. And in this vlog, I want to tell you that the thing is when we are learning English, I'm learning English, you all are learning English, and learning a new language is not so easy thing, especially when we are living in a place where everybody is talking in their native language. We surrounded by the people who's talking in their native language. So that time it would be more challenging, and I know that we cannot change our environment, but the thing is very important is yeah, but I want to tell you something that I'm not here to teach you how you can learn English, but my motto to share my experiences is just that I want to motivate you. I want to inspire you more that knowledge is so overrated, but knowledge is not everything. Everybody is watching content about English, how we can use the grammatical things, you know but yeah, this is important, this is also important, but we are lacking in our inspiration, in our motivation, because we don't have good motive, at required motivation that really needed to learn this language. Every day we are doing something, and we are continuously thinking in that language, which is we don't want to learn. Okay, we but we are comfortable with that. Like in my case, I'm continuously pushing myself to think in English, but to be honest, like I'm also surrounded by the people who's talking in Hindi. So that time it would be more challenging, but it's our duty to push ourselves to think in English. Okay, and how can everybody's uh, everybody's so impatient, everybody's trying to learn this language so fast. But guys, I'll tell you, this is like how I got this fluency in just, I think I started in June month, this year, June month, and I got this level of fluency. And I think my level is around B2 level. Okay, if I tell you, there is a six level of English: A1, A2, B1, B2, and C1, C2. I'll give you another separate video about it. So the thing is, I got it, but before when I started learning this language, before I started speaking in English, I start consuming content so far, like so early. I think in 2021, I started watching content in English, and I was feeding myself. I was feeding my mind to all in, feeding my mind by all English content. So if you are a beginner, and if you really want to learn this language or any languages, I'm not telling you about this just English, but if you want to learn a new language, and we can also say that if you want to change your mindset, if you want to if you want to reprogram your mind, this is the only thing, what kind of content you are consuming every single day. So this is matter. If you are here watching my videos, that time it would be better if you are an English learner, you are a kind of person who want to motivate them, motivate himself. So guys, don't just focus on knowledge, focus on motivation. Try to be motivate ourselves every single day. Try to be inspired every single day, every single moment of your life. It's very important. And uh, and I also think, if I tell you, we are not comfortable, we are so uncomfortable in front of people, in front of like when we are living in another place, when we are in a in a group which are not our relative or our friends. That time it would be more challenging to speak in English in front of the people that even we don't know them. But it's our duty to push ourselves, and to you know to pretend, I can say, to pretend yourself that you are a native speaker. You don't need to learn this language. I mean, take my point that I want to tell you that just pretend yourself that you already a native speaker. You don't need anymore. We all are, this is very important. It's a kind of energy that it's a kind of energy, and it's a kind of imagination that we are imagining every single day. We are imagining ourselves as a learner. I'm learning English. Everybody's, whoever comes to you and uh, ask you that what are you doing, so that time we are saying that yes, I'm learning English. No, don't tell them that I'm learning English. I'm already English, I learned this language. Just try to speak in English. Whenever someone call you, just try to speak in English. But if they want to speak in English, that time, okay. So this video is just about, guys, don't chase knowledge all the time. You should chase inspiration. You should chase motivation. Honestly, like, if I tell you, the thing which motivate me, the thing is which inspired me is my dreams, my goals. You have to make your goal that relevant to English environment. you know I'm seeing myself, I'm imagining myself in future in English environment, in English, like native speaker, in among native speakers. So try to make your goals that will relevant to your English journey, why you are learning this language. Just write it down, okay. So we cannot learn this language just by when you are free and you just want to learn this language. That time you never ever get the fluency. You have to be passionate. You have to be more, every single day motivated about this language. So don't chase knowledge. Inspiration and motivation is also important, guys. Push yourself. When you are saying something loud to yourself, something positive, you definitely will be motivated, okay. So I'll meet you in the next video for sure. So till then, bye bye, and stay motivated, guys. Learn this language. This is needed. This is very, very important for you. Bye.